Who hasn't daydreamed about making $1 million online? It's the ultimate symbol of freedom and success. Imagine working from anywhere, setting your own hours. That was Alex's dream. He wanted to break free from a traditional job. He was tired of the daily grind. He spent countless hours researching. Alex was bombarded by ads promising easy money. Influencers flaunted their luxurious lifestyles. It all seemed so simple. Create a website, post content, right? If only it were that easy. The path to online success was paved with challenges. Alex faced emotional and financial challenges but was determined. Fueled by enthusiasm and armed with a borrowed laptop, Alex dove into the world of online business. He tried dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and launching his own e-commerce store. But the results were dismal. His website traffic was abysmal. His online store remained a ghost town, with no customers in sight. The money he invested in courses and software vanished, leaving him with regret. Disappointment gnawed at him. Was he not cut out for this? The internet was a crowded marketplace, demanding strategy, resilience, and luck. Alex's journey was a stark reminder that there are no shortcuts to success. Alex felt lost and alone. The silence of the room echoed his inner turmoil. He poured his heart into his online ventures, driven by a dream. But success seemed elusive, always out of reach. Alex underestimated the market and overestimated his abilities. He had no mentor, no guidance, and the isolation was stifling. The weight of his failures crushed his spirit. Doubt crept in, eroding his confidence. Alex realized he needed mentors. It was the beginning of a new chapter. One evening at a local networking event, Alex met Sarah, a successful online entrepreneur. She exuded confidence and experience. Alex shared his struggles, dreams, and failures. Sarah listened intently and said, "Alex, you're not alone. Every successful entrepreneur has faced similar challenges." She introduced Alex to a community of like-minded entrepreneurs. This encounter changed Alex's direction, setting him on a path to success. Alex started implementing new techniques to work smarter. He used project management tools, time-tracking apps, and productivity planners. Alex learned about automation and digital marketing. He set up email marketing automation and social media scheduling tools. By focusing on data analytics, Alex optimized his website. He learned to delegate tasks and collaborate with a team. Alex saw significant improvements in productivity and business growth. Under Sarah's guidance, Alex's online ventures began to flourish. He shifted his focus from chasing quick wins to building a sustainable business for the long term. He learned to prioritize quality over quantity, consistency over intensity, and building genuine relationships with his audience. His website traffic steadily increased. His social media following grew. His online store finally started generating sales. It wasn't a meteoric rise to fame and fortune, but a slow and steady climb towards success. Alex's journey taught him that success wasn't about overnight riches or instant gratification. It was about the daily grind, the constant learning, and the unwavering belief in his ability to achieve his goals. Each small win kept him motivated, and every setback became a lesson that propelled him forward. Alex never made that $1 million overnight, but with hard work, perseverance, and the right mindset, he eventually achieved his dream. His mindset and attitude played a crucial role in his success. Alex discovered that true success wasn't just about the money. It was about the journey, the lessons learned, and the person he became along the way. The $1 million mindset wasn't about greed or material possessions. It was about having the courage to pursue your dreams, the resilience to overcome challenges, and the unwavering belief in your own potential. Alex's perseverance and positive thinking were key to his journey of continuous growth and learning. So what about you? Are you ready to embark on your own journey to online success? Remember, it won't be easy. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But with the right mindset, the right guidance, and an unwavering belief in yourself, anything is possible. Take that first step today. Seek out a mentor, invest in your education, and never stop learning. Your $1 million journey starts now. What are you waiting for? Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Join a community of dreamers and doers. Check the description for more useful links where you can find tips and tricks for making money online and other programs. Let's make your dreams a reality together.